Christmas, car registration, and medical bills catch people off guard every year. Sinking funds fix this permanently. A savings category for a known future expense. You save a small amount monthly instead of panicking when the bill hits. Example: $1,200 car registration due in December equals save $100 per month. Car maintenance, medical/dental, home repairs, gifts/holidays. Travel, clothing, subscriptions, annual fees, pet expenses. Back to school, and one life happens catch-all fund. List every irregular expense from last 12 months. Divide each by 12 to get monthly savings amount. Open sub-savings accounts or use a budget app with envelopes. Car maintenance $600 per year equals $50 per month saved. Holiday gifts $480 per year equals $40 per month saved. Total, $90 per month prevents $1,080 in surprises. Get my sinking fund tracker at https://fundbiz.gumroad.com.